Hello, friends. Hope you all are very well. Today, we discuss some interesting facts about India Gate. India is one of the most beautiful country in the world and is famous for its colorful culture, fascinating heritage, and grand monuments. India Gate is one of the most popular monuments of our country. Originally called the All India War Memorial, India Gate is a war memorial which stands tall at 42 meters. It was built to commemorate 70,000 soldiers of Indian Army who lost their lives in the First World War and the Third Anglo-Afghan War. The architecture of India Gate is said to be inspired by Arc de Triomphe in Paris. Sir Edwin Lutyens was the chief architect of India Gate. It was inaugurated on Feb 12, 1931 by Viceroy Lord Irwin. The foundation stone was laid by Duke of Connaught on Feb 10, 1921. It took 10 years to complete the monument. It is made out of sandstone and granite. It stands on a red Bharatpur low base. The wall is inscribed by the names of 13,1218 servicemen, including some soldiers and officers from the United Kingdom. The cornices are adorned with the inscription of sun, which symbolized the British imperial colony. And both sides of arc towards the top have India inscribed. Let's see in details what is inscribed on the cornice of India Gate. The arch of India Gate encompasses a shrine containing a black marble cenotaph, a reversed L1A1 self-loading rifle placed on its barrel crested by a soldier's helmet. The shrine is called Amar Jawan Jyoti. It was unveiled by the then Prime Minister of India, Indira Gandhi, on 26 January 1972 in the memory of the martyrs of Indo-Pak War 1971 and during the liberation of Bangladesh. The flame at Amar Jawan Jyoti keeps burning throughout the day and nights and is kept under a strict vigil of all three services of Indian Armed Force. It is customary for the President, Prime Minister, and visiting guests of the state to visit India Gate and pay homage to Amar Jawan Jyoti on occasions of state ceremonies. India Gate is of utmost importance on 26th of January every year as the Republic Day parade originating from the Rajpath passes around the monument. Beside the India Gate, you can see the National War Memorial. We will discuss in details about the National War Memorial in another video. The India Gate is also a great picnic venue for people of all age groups. The summers are crowded with families in the evenings and winters during the daytime. People come to this place to have a great time with their families and loved ones. You can reach here from Central Secretariat Metro Station. There is no entry fee. This place is also great for photography. You can visit this place. Thank you everyone. For more interesting video, please like, comment and subscribe our channel.